A new twist in the story of lithium has just surfaced. A study published in Science Advances reveals something unexpected. Much of the world's lithium is hidden in salty waters with a chemistry that defies comparison to the ocean or other saline sources. This isn't just a footnote in the lithium saga. It's a finding that could reshape how we mine this vital element, and how we deal with the waste it leaves behind. As the world races toward a renewable energy future, lithium stands center stage, powering batteries from cars to homes. Roughly 40% of the global supply comes not from rock, but from remote, shimmering salt flats high in the Andes and across the Tibetan Plateau. In these surreal landscapes, lithium doesn't lie in stone. It swims underground in pools of highly salty water, brines, just beneath crusty white salt pans called salars. One such place, the Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, holds the world's largest known lithium brine deposit. But the water here isn't like the sea. We discovered that the pH of these brines is almost entirely driven by boron, said Avner Vengosh, a geochemist from Duke University. That's totally different from seawater. It's like studying the chemistry of another planet. Normally, in most natural waters, it's carbonate molecules that control pH, a measure of how acidic or alkaline a solution is. But in the Salar de Uyuni, the researchers found that carbonate steps aside, and boron takes the lead. Their team analyzed both natural brines and samples from an active lithium pilot mining site in the region. Here's how it works. Miners pump underground brine into a network of shallow ponds. The sun does the heavy lifting, slowly evaporating water and concentrating the solution. What's left behind? Lithium, boron, and a cocktail of other salts. They found something curious. The natural brine beneath the salar was nearly neutral in pH. But once it reached the evaporation ponds, it turned sharply acidic. Modeling revealed the culprit, boron. In its many forms, from boric acid to complex borates, boron's behavior was dictating the pH shift. As water evaporates, boron becomes more concentrated, and boric acid breaks down, releasing hydrogen ions. That drop in pH is the result. Through a chain of geochemical reactions, carbonate alkalinity fades, and boron alkalinity dominates, explained Gordon Williams, a PhD student leading the study. Their detective work didn't stop in Bolivia. The team collected and modeled over 300 lithium-rich brine samples from across the so-called Lithium Triangle, Chile, Argentina, and Bolivia, and from the Tibetan Plateau. What they found was remarkably consistent. Boron wasn't just important. It was essential. In nearly every sample, boron played the key role in controlling alkalinity and pH, said Williams. Their research is the first to show that this element, often overlooked, is actually driving major chemical changes in lithium-rich salt pans. Paz Nativ, a postdoctoral researcher, added that combining lab analysis with modeling let them pinpoint how boron's molecular forms shape the brine's chemistry. This insight isn't just academic. It could transform how we extract lithium more efficiently, and how we manage the acidic wastewater these processes generate. In the race for a clean energy future, understanding lithium's strange and salty story has never been more urgent. Thanks for watching. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for further notification.